Miss Catalia K. Sangma from Salpara, Mendhi, won the gold medal in the Taekwondo Sub-Junior Girls under 19 kg category in the Meghalaya Games 2022. And Mr. Hagayo K. Marak from Kolkata, North Garo Hills, won the bronze medal in the Taekwondo Sub-Junior Boys under 32 kg category in the Meghalaya Games 2022. Catalia is the daughter of Mr. Sengnap C.H. Momin and Tanya K. Sangma. And Hagyo is the son of Sri Rupert Momin and Srimati Twinsilda K. Marak. They were both coached by Mr. Oglik B. Marak. The Deputy Commissioner of North Garo Hills has conveyed his best wishes to both players and congratulate them on their victories.